Okay, you get 7 eggs.
Why do I not have any pockets?
You don't need pockets. You throw it at the thing. You have to break it and it'll splash paint on it. So these ones are dark, like.
I want the dark one.
Okay, you get 7. Okay, throw it hard.
You missed.
Get it, throw it again. See if you get it on the canvas. We need bigger canvases. Throw it.
I have bigger ones.
Oh yeah!
That are me.
He's gonna do his own board, whole board.
Try again. Throw it again.
Want to do it again? Why not?
Throw it again.
Woo! Oh, red! 4. It dripped on the thing. You done 4 colors.
Hi.
You get 3 more. Oh!
It's the same color.
Dark blue again!
Get it out of here.
Oh, bro, it didn't break.
Red.
Oh, it was light green. Do it again. Oh, green! Get on your clothes, go take it over.
Is it showing?
Yeah. Go in front and hold it so he can you. Back up. A little bit more. Okay, good. Throw it again. Throw it again. There's a lot of things. Except for watch out. You're right in front of the camera. Fart. Oh yeah. Don't get on the wood.
Woo! Again?
Well, we only have 7 colors.
Wipe it in the grass.
You gotta throw it hard.
Sugar hard. That was like purple. Your favorite color. That's your favorite color.
Yeah. Watch out, Stephen. You're right in front of the camera.
Let me see the camera. XO! Yep, camera's on. XO.
Woo! Pink!
Yeah!
Pink! Oh no, purple again!
But it's the lighter one.
Watch out, you're stepping on your picture.
It's the lighter one.
Oh, nice!
Come on, throw hard! Throw hard! Really hard! How hard you can! It's the light pink!
Ah! Woo!
Throw it again! Throw it again! Throw it again! Throw it again!
Whoa!
I do not know what color this is. It's the same one.
Nice! Beautiful!
I do it again. XO, get out!
Okay, guys.
This is my unicorn work.
Oh, I love it. That's really pretty.
Hey, can I do?
Whoa!
I can see it in the camera, dude. Oh! See, where? I just. What color is it?
Blue again!
Oh, I like that color. What's my favorite color?
Oh!
It's the light blue. Hey, you can get it light blue. I see you in. Wow, bitch.
Guys, both are so pretty. What
But how about we run out? How we run out of eggs? And we don't have any more like that?
Yeah,
We can use the eggs that are down there and pick them up and throw at the wall.
Run! I'm going to do it. ones are broken.
Why?
Don't use ones are not.
Well, we'll have to do it again.
Sammy, watch out! You're in the front.
I didn't get any purples.
What? You still have 4.
Oh,
We fired 4.
Will this be purple?
Yes. I think it will be camera's on. It's sitting around.
Yeah.
I have an eggshell on it. Lulu, what are you doing, dude?
Oh, that's not painted. Okay.
I'm just holding.
I don't know how to throw.
What color is it?
Pink.
I'm gonna use somebody's pink purple down here.
That was mine. Whoa, it looks so pretty. It looks like Easter one. It looks like Easter.
Yeah.
Now for Mommy's turn.
Okay. I cheated a little bit.
I'm gonna make it if the camera moves. I'll make sure
Don't move it.
I know. I'm just...
It's harder than it looks.
Yeah, the eggs are.
Great.
Purple!
You have so much colors on that. I'm glad you on team.
We almost need to like crack the egg and then like yeah. Try it.
Mommy, crack it in here.
Purple again! You get all the
It looks like your balls.
That one you can see. Careful of your sweater.
Nah, Papa, get on there. Like my thing. In April.
Did that work better, you think?
It was green again.
Not one of us threw it under. You're thrown 3 under. It was 2 feet and pretty now.
I think that's enough painting for Mom.
She has 2 colors on her board. Oh, orange!
Oh! Orange and blue, come on.
What?
Orange and blue, here it goes. Mommy.
You got orange and blue in yours.
Yeah. Okay. See Mommy on the camera. What are you doing?
Missing the board.
Painting board. I think Mommy's good paint.
Yeah.
Let's go. The other one's way under there.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's enough painting for you. One more. That's enough painting.
Okay. The eggs look pretty on the floor.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Okay.
Let's all hold our canvases in front of the camera.
Pick all our colors. This is mine.
Mine's not as pretty. No, not like that.
First we're
Yours is pretty.
all our colors.
They're like
So
all
we throw it
different.
at the board.
Hold your board. We're gonna take a picture.
You crack it.
Yeah, I cracked it. I chucked the egg so hard and then I put a crack in. And then I
see?
squat.
I'm squatting.
I'm squatting.
I'm squatting.
Cheese!
Cheese! I'm pooping.